Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. From ninth standard, mathematics is divided into two parts: math first, also known as algebra, and math second, which is also known as geometry. Geometry is generated from the Greek words geo means earth and metria means measuring or measurement. There are some basic concept, and the name of the first lesson of math second is basic concept in geometry. Point. Our first basic concept is point. This is point P. A geometric element that has no extension is called a point. Second concept is segment. Segment AB. Let length of this segment AB is 5 centimeter. We define segment as finite collection of all points lie between point A and point B, including point A and B, is called a segment. Segment AB can also be written as segment AB or segment BA or segment AB. Length of segment AB is equal to 5 centimeter or distance of point AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Now next concept is ray. This is the diagram of ray. In ray, this point is fixed point. This fixed point is also called as starting point or initial point. From this point, this ray originates. This arrow sign indicates that it is not fixed. We can extend this ray in this direction. Now we can define ray as collection or union of all points present in segment AB and point P such that point B is between point A and P. The arrow denotes that length of the ray is not finite. Now our next concept is line. This is the diagram of a line. A and B are any 2 points present on the line. This is point A, this is point B. Now from here, this is ray AB and this is the opposite ray of AB. This is the diagram of a line AB. We again draw another line AB. AB is the, from here this is ray AB, and in line there is one another ray which is in opposite direction of ray AB. Now from this diagram we define the definition of a line as: line is a union or collection of all points present in ray AB and collection of all points which are present in opposite ray of ray AB. It is written symbolically as line AB or line AB. Meet you in the next class. Thank you.